Well, what have we here? It's a cat. Oh my goodness, Kitty. Hey, Kitty. Kitty, you're sitting on my manual for my typewriter. She gives me bean. So here we have a little Singer T62. Woohoo! With case. The case is around here somewhere. This one's a 1966. It's a great little machine. Looks like it was hardly ever used. It's extremely clean. Like I really didn't have to do anything to it cleanliness-wise. Nobody ever used erasers on it or got whiteout in there or anything like that. It was very, very clean. Oh, hi, Kitty. Except Kitty wants there to be cat hair in there, but I refuse to let her cat hair in there. So, this does have magic margins on it, which is surprising. This machine is basically a Royal Safari. In fact, it is a Royal Safari. If you're familiar with those at all, then you are, and if you're not, then, well, they're relatively decent machines. They type extremely well. They're built like tanks, and this one is no exception. This one has the professional, made in USA, it says. Singer. You'll notice the tab selector or tab button on this is called a column button rather than a tab button. It's kind of one of the odd little touches they did. Everything on this machine works. Margins work great. So there's my new margin. I want it over here now. Oh, I want to put it right there. Easy peasy. Paper guides are in great shape. The rubber on the platen is in excellent condition. The segment is extremely clean. All the type bars are clean. The type slugs are clean. And it types well. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy cat. Okay, I know it's supposed to be dog, so I'll type dog. There you go. Same thing on the red setting with the caps lock on. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Very nice print, very clear, very sharp. Looks to be 10 characters per inch. So there you are, 1966 Singer. Very, very nice.